Rio's Easy English. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Rio's Easy English. I'm Rio.
And I'm Ravon. Welcome back, English learners. Today, we're going to master one of the most important topics in English grammar, was and were.
If you've ever wondered, why do we say, I was happy? Why do we say, they were happy? Why not, I were happy? Why not, they was happy? Then today's episode is for you.
By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly what was and were are, when to use them, how to make positive sentences, negatives, questions, and you'll learn 100 daily life examples, common phrases, idioms, and mistakes that learners often make.
When do we use was? Use was with I, he, she, it, singular nouns. Examples: I was busy. He was late. She was sick. The movie was interesting.
When do we use were? Use were with you, we, they, plural nouns. Examples: you were right. We were tired. They were excited. The children were happy.
Basic sentence structures. For positive sentences, subject plus was, were plus complement. Examples: I was hungry. They were happy. For negative sentences, subject plus wasn't, weren't plus complement. Examples: I wasn't busy. They weren't angry. For questions, was, were plus subject plus complement. Examples: was she tired? Were they at home?
Uses of was and were. 1. Describing feelings. I was happy. They were nervous. 2. Talking about locations. She was at school. We were at home. 3. Talking about weather. It was cold. It was sunny. 4. Describing people and things. He was tall. The rooms were clean. 5. Talking about age. I was 10 years old. They were young. 6. Talking about situations. It was difficult. The exams were easy.
Let's discuss 100 real-life examples. Feelings, 1 to 20. I was tired yesterday. She was happy. He was sad. We were excited. They were nervous. I was angry. She was surprised. He was worried. We were relaxed. They were confused. I was disappointed. She was stressed. He was excited. We were hopeful. They were grateful. I was curious. She was embarrassed. He was confident. We were proud. They were shocked.
For locations, 21 to 40. I was at home. She was at school. He was at work. We were at the park. They were in the kitchen. I was at the station. She was in the office. He was in bed. We were at the beach. They were at the restaurant. I was at the library. She was at the airport. He was in the living room. We were in class. They were in DACA. I was in Chattogram. She was at the mall. He was at the gym. We were at the party. They were at the hospital.
For weather and time, 41 to 55. It was hot yesterday. It was cold last night. It was sunny. It was windy. It was raining. It was cloudy. It was late. It was midnight. It was early morning. It was Friday. It was a beautiful day. It was dark. It was noisy. It was quiet. It was peaceful.
For describing anything, 56 through 75. The movie was interesting. The book was exciting. The food was delicious. The room was clean. The test was difficult. The questions were easy. The children were quiet. The shops were crowded. The streets were empty. The flowers were beautiful. The lessons were helpful. The teachers were friendly. The dogs were playful. The chairs were comfortable. The games were fun. The clothes were expensive. The houses were old. The roads were busy. The beaches were beautiful. The restaurants were crowded.
For experiences and situations, 76 to 100. I was busy yesterday. She was late. He was early. We were lucky. They were unlucky. I was sick. She was absent. He was ready. We were careful. They were honest. I was wrong. She was right. He was quiet. We were close friends. They were neighbors. I was 10 years old. She was a student. He was a doctor. We were classmates. They were teammates. I was afraid. She was busy all day. He was helpful. We were surprised. They were happy together.
Common phrases with was and were. I was right. You were wrong. We were lucky. They were late. She was busy. He was asleep. It was worth it. Things were different. Life was hard. Times were tough.
Idioms using was, were. I was over the moon, meaning very happy. I was over the moon when I got the job. They were on cloud 9, meaning extremely happy. They were on cloud 9 after their wedding. He was under the weather, meaning slightly sick. He was under the weather yesterday. We were in hot water, meaning in trouble. We were in hot water after missing the deadline. She was down in the dumps, meaning very sad. She was down in the dumps after the exam. They were all ears, meaning listening carefully. They were all ears during the lecture.
Avoid these common mistakes. I were tired. I was tired. She were busy. She was busy. They was happy. They were happy. We was late. We were late. Was they at home? Were they at home? Were he sick? Was he sick? I wasn't went there. I wasn't there. Or I didn't go there. They weren't happy yesterday. Weren't they happy yesterday? Or they weren't happy yesterday.
Memory trick. Remember was, were, only use in past tense sentences. For singular subject, always use was. I was, he was, she was, it was. For plural subject, we should use were. You were, we were, they were. Let's practice a small conversation. How was your weekend?
It was great. I was at my cousin's house, and we were very happy.
Was the weather nice?
Yes, it was sunny, and the kids were excited.
Were you tired afterward?
Yes, I was exhausted, but it was worth it.
Today's challenge? Describe yesterday using 10 sentences with was and 10 sentences with were. Talk about your feelings, your location, the weather, your friends, your experiences.
The more you practice, the more naturally you'll use these words.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep improving your English every day. We'll see you in the next episode of Rio's Easy English.